course. And you will need scissors, a back for your quilt, some strips for your quilt, and some needles. Now we're going to plan what our quilt will look like. So I like this one. We should put that in the middle. And maybe this right here. So we are using paper for our middle on our quilt, but pioneers back then would use horsehair, old blankets, and letters. Okay, so now I have pretty much of what I want my quilt to look like. So now I have to sew it together. So when I have my two like this, I'm going to put it right on top, the first one right on top of the other. And I'm going to sew right there. Then it will be ready. Right there. Just like that. And I'm going to keep on going like that until I get up to the top. When all the pieces are sewn together, I will show you how to finish the rest. Good. Okay, so we're going to do a quick stitch. So, you know what a quick stitch is for when I did my doll, but I'll show you again. And you just keep on going. Like that. Like that. Pull when you feel like it. Good. So now I've sewn both of these. Now I'm going to put one over. And now I have to sew the top part. Quick stitch. Now see how easy this becomes? Okay. There we go. We have a quarter of it done. So now we're going to do this part. Flip it over. And you the edge. Now we have the top sewn all together. Now we need to put on the back. So, on this, you always want the bad side facing up. And then leave this much out for the paper that we're going to put in for stuffing. Now make sure it's nice and even. Then we can put in a few pens to make sure it does not go anywhere. Now we are going to begin to stitch the edges. So start here. We're going to do a quick stitch. Okay, so we've sewn all around the edge except for this part. Now, we're going to turn it inside out. Here's the front. Here's the back. Now, we have to stuff it with our paper. So let's get it all straight. Get our paper. Make it tight. You tie it off because of our X's. That we put in. We are now done with our blanket, but we are going to put it in the wash so the paper can smooth out. This is the back. It doesn't move around. Now we have our blanket. Look at that. There's the back. It's been washed. It's very snuggly. Now we're going to get our baby. Get her in her basket. There we have our baby, our quilt.